How to duplicate the dimple key? Let's operate step by step. First of all, click Universal Key Duplication. And then look for the dimple key. Click the key type. Enter this key type. It has a reminder. Clean the key and next step. Click Identify. The reminder says clean the platform of the key. We need to change the probe 0.5. Click OK and change the probe according to the guiding picture. If the installation of the probe is ready, please click Identify. This step is to install the key blank. Click Continue, and then the probe will mirror the key size. Click the arrow to move the position. Try to aim the probe at the center of the dimple. The probe will fall downwards at the center of the first dimple. Click OK. Confirm the first one. First one is ready. Select the second location. Click the arrow, the probe will rise. In the same way, move the probe to the last dimple. Click the arrow, the probe will fall down at the center of the dimple. Click OK and confirm the last dimple. This step is to select how many dimples. Let's calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points in all. If all is ready, next step. This step is to confirm all points position. Confirm and click Cut. Dimple key needs 2 kinds of cutter. One is for big point, the other is for small point. First step, use cutter W. Depending on the guiding picture, change the cutter W. Every step depending on guiding picture. Click OK. This step is to pull the probe down till touch the platform, and then lock the screw. Click OK. Finish the cutter installation. It's turn to install the key blank depending on guide picture. If all is ready, click Cut. If finished cutting, please change the other cutter. Select the cutter U. Please follow the same way and finish the installation. If it's ready, click Cut. Please compare the original key and try to turn on the lock. Perfect cutting. It looks nice.